Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the YouTube Music app is not working or loading properly on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another sort of Android-based device, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the Settings gear button and then select the Apps tile. And then you want to scroll down where it says See All Apps. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll all the way down the bottom where it says YouTube Music. Go ahead and select that. And then select the Storage and Cache button. First thing I recommend trying would be to clear the cache and then relaunch YouTube Music and see if it's working again. If not, you can come back in here and this time select Clear Storage. Make sure you have everything backed up to the cloud because this app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. You would select delete, and that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.